Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a really exciting video. We have an awesome collab with Shine Sticker Studio. We have a bunch of sticker kits that will be available in their shop, and then we have a pen collab. So I'm just going to show you the sticker kits and then the pens, and then I'm going to be doing a plan with me. So let's just get right into it. So the pens that we have here were designed by Shine Sticker Studio. I'm going to talk about the barrel first. It's a really pretty teal color. And then we have their logo on here with the pretty diamond. That's Shine Sticker Studio's logo. And then we have really, really pretty unicorn glitter inside. They're holographic unicorns, holographic white, and then with some pink glitter inside. And then all of their pens have white hardware. So I just think these pens are so fun, magical, and just so beautiful. So you'll see how well these pens go with the kit. As you can kind of see, these are the colors and so cute. I'm so excited for this plan with me. Along with this release, we do have the birthday celebration pen. If you're not aware of our shop's called the Angel Shop, and we sell a lot of different types of pens. They're all custom designed by me. I design every single pen, pick out the barrel, of course, other than collaborations, pick out the barrel colors, and then the glitters all are designed by me. So this was our very first pen, and this came out on my birthday, so I wanted to bring it back for my birthday this year. So this is the birthday celebration pen, and it just has rose gold hardware, and these will be back. We are also having a big birthday sale, so definitely stay tuned. Okay, so to get into these stickers, how cute are these? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna start with the little die cuts. So cute. Oh my gosh, look at the little pen that they're holding. It looks exactly like this. Cute, right? So this will be available in 2 different skin tones, and this is all available. All the stickers will be available on Shine Sticker Studio's website, and then the pens will be available on our website, which is the Angel Shop. And all of the links will be down below as well. So that's what they look like. So cute. And then this is the sticker sheet. Oh my gosh. I love it. All the unicorns, please. Just so happy. And then, oh my gosh, it's so cute. They also included our fur pouch, which has our little zipper pull with the heart there. And that's the fur pouch there. And it actually has, let me see if I can grab it, the heart zipper pull as well. So I love that. It's so cute. And then of course you have the pens, and then the die cuts are the same stickers of the die cuts. And then we have the Hobonichi kit, or the weekly kit. And then you have your dates, some washi strips, the dates, and then your weekend banner, some checklists here, habit trackers, your to-dos. So cute. I love it. I love how that looks like a little post-it note. It's so cute. And again, this paper is so smooth. And then some more washi tape. Oh my gosh, it is adorable. So cute. So that is the full kit. And now I'm gonna get started on the plan with me. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a plan with me on the weekly kit. And I'm going to be using these 2 sheets, and then this one I'm going to be saving for my note section in the back. So the planner that I'm going to be using is actually the Angel Shop planner. It is called the TAS planner, and it is all undated. I do have a whole video on this planner every single detail. And this is Tomo River paper, but it is a white Tomo River paper, so it doesn't have that yellow tone. And then that's what the front of my planner looks like. I just have the lavender orchid planner. And then I have the jelly cover on here as well, which is also from our shop. And this is the hollow sprinkles. So I just have some stickers in here that I want to use up and put in my planner. Let's just get right into it. So I also do want to talk really quickly about this speaker. I absolutely love it. It is from Studio. And what I love about it is all Bluetooth, and I've actually been using it nonstop every single night for my son. So if you guys aren't aware, I do have a little baby, and he is 3 months old, well, 3.5 months old. And I love this so much. We use it every single night. I just hook it up to my Spotify, and then we play some classical music for his nap time and bedtime. He loves listening to music. So I absolutely love this. If you guys are interested, I do have a code down below. They do have headphones as well, but I just love the quality of this speaker. There are 3 different from, but I wanted the gray because it matches the tones of our home. But I do believe they have black and rose gold, which I thought was really, really pretty. So if it was just for myself, I would use the rose gold or choose the rose gold one. But I love it. And I just think it's so pretty and just like chic looking on your desk. So that's a little side note, and let's just jump into the plan with me. So I always like to start off with the date covers. So I'm going to be using these foiled date covers. These actually work really well in the monthly part of our planner, but this is just from our shop, and that's just what it looks like. This is also available in black as well as in rose gold, but I'll show you what it looks like in my weekly. So this is what it looks like in my weekly, and this is the black version. And then we also have these dates as well. So that's what that looks like. So I'm just gonna put the numbers on here so that it's easier for me to put them on afterwards. Okay, so I put all the dates on here, and the 28th is actually my birthday. So I'm gonna be using, we also have some of these zodiac signs on here, or all of the zodiac signs on here. So I'm gonna be putting the little Virgo zodiac sign because I am a Virgo. So let's just put these dates on here. So because this kit was made for the Hobonichi weeks and our layout's a little bit different, you have a lot more space for each day. So what I'm gonna do is just cut these dates up so I can use them on here. Just really simple. Okay, so I put all the dates on here, and then I like to put the washi down next. So, okay, so I added the washi, but I want to add a little bit more washi up top, so I'm just gonna add some more and I'll be right back. Okay, so I put the checklists down, and then I really wanted to add that down there because I love what it says, make your own magic, and I just thought that was perfect for my birthday week. And then I added some of these little boxes here because we are doing private shopping for the shop. And if you aren't aware of what private shopping is, it is when I give out a certain amount of codes in our private Facebook group. I'll leave that link down below if you guys are interested. But I give a certain amount of spots of codes to private shop before the general public gets to shop. So the first like X amount of people that make a purchase will get a free washi tape roll or a free item and things like that. So I just like to do something special for our Facebook group. Okay, next I'm going to use this little sheet. I'm going to add some of the habit trackers and then the weekend banner, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I added the habit tracker, the weekend banner, because Saturday is my birthday, and then this little box here, and then I just added the 2 clean little box there. So I will fill this right in. I have to like refer to my phone. So I'm gonna fill this in and I'll be right back and I'll talk about my week. Okay guys, so this is my final layout, and then of course I'll just fill out the week as I go. So we do have the private shopping, and then August 24th is my Lolo's birthday, which means grandpa in Filipino. He did pass away in February, but I just wanted to honor his birthday that day. And then we have a pen release, and then I have a massage on Thursday. Friday I'm getting my hair done, and then my son is 17 weeks, which is so crazy. And then Saturday is my birthday, and then we just have some dinner with my family. And then Sunday we have dinner at my in-laws. So that is my weekly layout, and I love how this turned out. It's just so fun, and just really happy for my birthday. So I hope you guys like this little plan with me and our releases. I absolutely loved doing this collab with Shine Sticker Studio. The pen is beautiful. I loved how it turned out, and the sticker kits are so cute. I love how everything matches. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.